Hey guys, at the end of the video I'm going to be announcing who won this Arteza 60-piece gouache set, so stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how I varnished this painting. I'm going to show you my complete process and the tools that I used. I really hope you find this useful, so let's begin. Now the first thing you want to do is to clean the painting without actually damaging it. So what I'm using is this foxtail brush, and it's actually made out of goat's hair, which is a very soft material, and it does the job perfectly. Now I will be using gloss oil varnish by Utrecht. You can buy it at Blake's Art Materials. Now for the brush, I'm using a regular bristle brush from the hardware store. It's relatively easy to clean and it's very cheap. I got it for $1 as opposed to a professional varnish brush, which can be more expensive. Now I start off by pouring a decent amount of varnish, and I just wait a few seconds for it to spread out, and then I'm going to start using the brush to actually make sure that it gets to where it needs to be. Now I'm carefully pushing the varnish across the painting, and I want to try to leave an even surface. And even though I'm being careful, as you can tell, I do spill some varnish over the edge of the painting. However, I was prepared because I did place this brown packaging paper underneath just in case. Now the work is repetitive, but while you're doing this you must be paying close attention to your painting. Here I find a particle that I remove with my brush. Now I am using a gloss varnish, which means it's very bright and reflective, but it also deepens the colors and adds this richness. And you can tell from the left side and the right side here in the close-up where I just covered the matted area, and now it's nice and glossy. Because of the structure of the canvas, we must always place special attention to the edge of the painting, which sometimes is forgotten if we do a quick job. Now my favorite part of varnishing is the very end, when the varnish is just completed and it's still wet, it's still very glossy, and the colors are very rich, and the painting is its most reflective. I mean, it's still glossy when it dries, but not at this level. And if you're like me, you would enjoy this moment while it lasts. Now this has been my varnishing process. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, please leave them below. Okay guys, so the winner of this Arteza 60-piece gouache paint giveaway is named Studio Cabritarius. I'll get in contact with you, and yeah, thanks and congrats.